Ready to rock your automation game? Say goodbye to limited workflows and capped executions. If you want high-value, low-cost n8n automation with endless possibilities, you need Hostinger's self-hosted n8n VPS hosting. Let me show you something novel and exciting. Hostinger offers KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8 plans for self-hosted n8n. Here's where it gets interesting. If you purchase any of these plans using my special partnership checkout link, you'll get an extra 20% discount. That's double the standard 10% coupon code discount. Here's how to rock this deal. I've provided automatically applied coupon codes for all available countries in the description box and comment section, complete with your country's currency and language. Once you click your country's coupon code link, you'll land on Hostinger's official website. On the navbar, click the Services button to see all of Hostinger's hosting options. My 20% discount is valid for all hosting plans and services, but today we're focusing on self-hosted n8n. Click on Self-Hosted n8n and you'll see all the available plans. You can choose any plan according to your needs. My 20% discount applies to all of them. I'm going with the KVM2 plan. Watch as my 20% discount gets automatically applied at checkout. Pro tip: always go with the maximum duration because Hostinger doesn't provide renewal coupon codes. Important note: try using a new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before to grab this discount deal. Enjoy the most affordable self-hosted n8n hosting with Hostinger. Thanks, my friends. Love you and love n8n.